So here's a quick tip if you need to use a spring compressor in an F-body and you don't want to take the arches out or anything. So the way to do it is to take the shock absorber out. You undo the nut at the top and then the two at the bottom. And then what I'm using here is this particular one. So this is non-threaded, this is threaded. So what you do is you put the threaded part here at the top and place the non-threaded part up through, either through the spring or up through where the shock absorber goes through that hole. Then you take the threaded rod and then you put the threaded rod up through there just the way you took out this shock absorber. And it gets a bit tricky because you need to get the thread to engage. And as you can see, there's a bit of a gap there, so just use your socket extension just to be able to access that. It's a 19mm on this particular one, so that's 3/4 of an inch. And once you catch the thread there, just use a socket wrench. Get the eyes, the hooks positioned in the spring, and then just start using the socket wrench to tighten it up, and then that pulls the spring upwards, and then you can now drop your lower control arm. This won't then move. Obviously, if you are doing work to it, you can loosen this down, and then obviously the less compression there is on the spring, the safer it is to work with. So there you go.